Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know what you should be doing or how you can report and replace a lost Chime card. If you want to go ahead and report a lost card, then you need to follow the steps. You need to go ahead and open up this browser, that is help.chime.com. This will take you to the page. So here you could see the statement as if you've lost or stolen, the first thing you should do is block the transaction to prevent anyone from using it. So you could do this on a Chime mobile app or website, or you could just refer to this link. Likewise, if you want to go ahead and get a replacement of your card, then you could find the link underneath and just press on it, and here you'll be able to see the steps that mentioned to go ahead and replace it. So first thing you want to do is go to the settings tab and tap on the cards, and for physical card replacement, tap on manage physical card. Next thing you want to do is select replace number to replace virtual card and replace card to replace physical card with. As soon as you've done that, you need to tap the continue button and your new card will arrive within 7 to 10 business days. This includes weekends and holiday as well. So this is how you could report as well as replace your card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.